Welcome to this tutorial for the Product Builder plugin. First things first, make sure you have the zip file ready. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, then Upload Plugin. Select the file, click Install Now, then Activate. After activation, you'll find a new Product Builder menu in your admin panel. Let's create your first product builder. Go to Dashboard, Product Builders, Add New. Start by giving your builder a title, then click Add Step to define each configuration stage. This could be product selection or category based. You can also customize the step icons, add descriptions, and define error messages if a user skips a step. Scroll down to upload a feature image, write a short guide for users, and configure the general settings like button, out-of-stock product visibility, or extra fee. Once done, click Save and hit View Product Builder to preview your setup in action. Now let's explore the Depend feature. Edit one of your builder's steps and locate the dependency settings. This allows you to show or hide products or options based on previous selections by the global attributes. Once you've set your conditions, head over to the front end to test it live. This feature is especially helpful when certain products are only compatible with others. Next, let's style your builder. Go to Design Settings, then choose from multiple templates, Ajax, Modern, or Classic. Customize buttons, colors, and layout to match your store's branding. To see the real one, switch to the front end and walk through the builder. You'll see how each layout offers a different shopping experience. For the mobile design, back in Settings, you can adjust the control bar's distance from the bottom of the screen. Now preview each template one more time under Mobile View. Enable the Share Link option. On the front end, this adds a Share button to your Builder interface, letting customers save and share their build. Use the Share link to build your own predefined builder. Also, make use of the Preview Page feature, great for letting users see their full configuration before checking out. Back in your dashboard, go to the Share Link tab to view all shared builds and how often they've been clicked. Let's highlight product attributes in your builder. In the front-end builder view, locate the Attribute Widget section. To customize it, head to Appearance, Widgets, choose the WC Product Builder sidebar, and drag the Product Builder widgets into it. This enhances the user experience with quick reference info. Enable the email feature in Settings so customers can send their build to a friend. On the front end, users can click the Send to Your Friend button. The Print and PDF Download feature lets can print their configuration or download it as a PDF. Lastly, display your product builder anywhere using shortcodes after you're happy with their configurations. Go to the list of builders, copy the shortcode of the one you want, create a new page, title it something like PC configuration, and paste the shortcode into the content area. Now preview the page on the front end to see your custom builder in action.